Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. I thought I start with a little explanation why you didn't hear from me for such a long time and see what my laser was able to do. Have a look. That's the main lens. And as you can see, it managed to burn a hole through it quite easy and nicely. And so a very short tip for you guys is, if you think whilst you are working with your laser someone farted into your room, have a look at your lens, because it smells exactly like a really bad fart. So today we will do something for Christmas. I bought a new lens, this one here, and with that lens we will try to cut out some Christmas ornaments for our wonderful Christmas tree. Let's set up the camera and I will be back with you in just a few seconds.
So here we are in K40 Whisperer, and as you can see, I already prepared a vector file to be cut, and I have to apologize. Somehow my microphone at the camera died, and I will have to speak that afterwards. What really matters here is what you can see now, and that's the vector cut speed. We are cutting at about 50 millimeters per second, which is damn fast. So that's the main thing of that video, right? Anyone can cut a nice plywood thing with some millimeters per second, but not many manage to cut at 50 millimeters per second. And as I got some comments regarding that question, like, why did you do that? That's the explanation. So we will cut that beast at 50 millimeters per second and see what happens.
All right, all set and ready to go. I will start the pneumatics. There we go. And now I hit the start button. So here's a 140 watt laser cutting through 4 millimeters of plywood at 55 millimeters per second. Look how nicely that's done. Easy and quite a fast cut, if you ask me. Look at that. I can already see that all the little bits are broken off, and there we are. That's it. That was fast. Let me turn off the compressor once. So, air assist off. And let's take this one out. Light off. Hope you still can see enough, guys. And there we are. That's our Christmas ornament. Our wonderful tree. Looks nice from this side. How does it look from the other side then? Oh, plain cut. Nothing to worry about. Just straight through. I guess that one should pop off quite easily. Let me try that for you live and on camera. There you go. Here we have it, guys. Nicely cut off. How do you like that? So that's cutting high-speed Christmas ornaments, and look at the edges. So that's not burnt, that's just plainly cut through. You don't even, I think if you put your finger over it, there's nothing. So that's a perfect cut. Nice.